my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 11th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. It is super duper cold outside and I'm craving some hot chocolate. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all some homemade hot chocolate, and it's one of my favorites for the holiday season and the fall winter months. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of chocolatey goodness. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my hot chocolate recipes playlist and my previous video, cranberry sweet tea. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cocoa powder, your milk, and your marshmallow sugar, because we're about to make some hot cocoa magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup each of white sugar and cocoa powder. I'm using the Hershey Special Dark Cocoa Powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick whisk until everything is well blended. Gonna let this cook until the sugar and the cocoa powder dissolves for about 3 minutes. Alright my friends, our cocoa and sugar has dissolved. So now we're going to add in 2 cups of whole milk. Give it a quick stir. You can also use half and half or heavy cream, whatever your heart desire. So now we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what our hot chocolate looked like. And off camera, I removed it off the fire. There's one more thing we got to add to it. 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And stir this in. Love the smell of hot chocolate. Smells good. Alrighty, and now our hot chocolate is ready to serve. So now we're ready to pour it into my cup. Here we go. Alrighty, and now I'm going to add some marshmallows. You can also add in some whipped cream or some chocolate chips, whatever your heart desire. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Homemade hot chocolate. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Oh, ain't nothing like a nice hot cup of hot cocoa on a cold day. So comforting. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Hot chocolate-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Cheers!